is Lokesh, and this is my presentation on video presentation on test automation tools. So for this, I have I have chosen Selenium as a tool. Selenium, it is an open source automated testing tool and primarily used for web applications. So key features include that it is cross browser compatible and supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, and performs various operations like clicking, typing, extracting information through web scraping and information from the web pages. So it is mainly for black box testing, and it simulates the user behavior, like how user will interact with the web page in the similar manner. Highly effective for testing the functionality of the web applications. So it is as far as the development and maintenance is concerned, it is an open source project, so the source code is available freely, and the community all around the globe actively participates in its development for its improvement. So as far as the contribution is considered, so it gets frequent updates from the community. Community fixes the bugs, identifies them and fixes the bug. It follows a collaborative development approach, and the dynamic nature of the cell names enables quick response to the changes in the web ecosystems and ensures that the tool remains up to date and adaptable to the new challenges and requirements. So in testing process, it is mainly divided into in planning phase. Testers are able to describe their scenarios and test cases. In the design phase, the testers write the integrated test scripts that provide thorough coverage. And in execution phase, it simulates the user interactions, and in analysis phase, the results are analyzed or valuable insights are taken from it. So Selenium, linking to the course, the Selenium versatility and cross-browser compatibility align with the importance of choosing the right tool for the web application testing, and also its the ability to for continuous integrations allows it for seamless integration with our CI/CD pipelines, and supports best practice of the continuous integrations as discussed in the test automation best practices and practices related lectures. So for as far as the SUT is concerned, I have chosen the Orange SRM SUT. It is open source SRM software with a comprehensive suite of functionalities. It streamlines HR processes, covering employee management, time tracking, and all other HR related tasks. It enhances the organizational efficiency. For this purpose of the assignment, I am on automation testing. I will be performing automation testing on the login page of the Orange SRM demo site. The link is provided here. So I'll proceed to the demo. So this is the test script that I have written for the testing the login functions of the web applications. So here I have defined the use Chrome driver as the driver for the Selenium, and here I have sourced the elements user for username field and password through by name, username and password. Then I will provide the code will provide the valid credentials here, the username and valid username and valid password, and then it will perform login. It will click the login button, and if it is successful, then it will show this link of the dashboard. Otherwise it will fail. So let's test this test case. So I'll run it. Okay. Yeah, so here we can see that Chrome is being controlled by the automated test software. So here it has provided the credentials, and now the test has passed because it was the valid credentials. So this is the demo for my test case. Now continuing with the video. So next thing is the reflection of the tools that I have used. Its strength includes cross-browser testing. That is, it ensures compatibility across different browsers. And there is automated interactions, that is enables automated users interactions with web elements. There is parallel executions, so supports parallel test execution, reducing testing time, and there is active community support. So if in case some problems arises, then there is a proper community that guides that provides the support. So as far as the weakness is concerned, I faced the problems that I faced. I think these are the weakness is that Primarily, it is designed for the web applications, and there is a set of complexity like setting up the drivers, setting up the library. It was like quite complex for me. In now proceeding towards the learnings from this automation testing. So what are the learnings means that I've learned about the strategies for test automation. So we need to stress the value of automation in the software testings and critical comprehensions of the element position, interactions and browser handling is required for web driver concepts that I learned from Selenium use. Putting together and managing a scalable test automation framework is known as the base of that model, POM model. POM. Best practice for test design is that we need to write the good test cases, making relevant claims, and managing the test. We need to manage properly the test data. So these are the learnings I got from the this testing. And other in conclusion, so I would like to conclude now. So in conclusion, that is cost, browser compatibility and effective user interactions automations are two areas in which Selenium WebDriver shines in web application testing. So we need to so essential learnings is that apply the page object model, crafts web driver ideas and follow the sound test design guidelines while using Selenium as the automation testing tool. Difficult one that this is it is difficult to manage the dynamic components, so to overcome a set of complexity for effective Selenium driver use, one must learn it properly, the tools, its working and other things. So suggested use under suggested use, I would like to suggest that take time to complete to become proficient with the initial setup, because the initial part is of me, I found initial setup was little quite hectic, and to improve the test reliability, create strong methods for handling the dynamic elements, so that